Hey guys, these are my persimmon. This year my tree is looking good with the persimmon. I have some more up there and I have some more in the back. Also, did you know that you can cut a piece of your tomato plant and stick it in the ground? And look, it is coming along real good. All you have to do is just cut it and stick it in the ground. I also did the same thing with this piece here. This is a fig tree. I cut that piece and I stuck it in the ground, hoping it'll grow. This is a little pumpkin patch. I'm not expecting nothing from it. These are my tomatoes. Look how tall they are. I've been picking tomatoes for a while now. Peppers, they're coming along beautiful. Over here is the sorrel. I have a nice okra tree. I've been picking okras. I've been picking peppers too. Whatever tomato falls on the ground, I feed it to the chicken. Over here is my other pumpkin tree. I got potatoes inside there and watermelon. June plums are coming in pretty good. Also having some more blossom here. Guavas are coming in real nice too. I thought that pineapple tree died, but I have some coming up on the side. So stay tuned for another update.